Today, I'll show you how to add bleed in Canva for professional print-ready designs. Start by opening your design and going to the File menu at the top. Hover over View Settings and click Show Print Bleed. A dotted line will appear around your design. This is your bleed area. Make sure your backgrounds and design elements extend into this bleed area. For example, if you have a photo background, drag it past the canvas edges to cover the bleed area completely. This prevents unwanted gaps when printing. Once your design is set, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print and make sure to check crop marks and bleed. This ensures your file prints perfectly with clean edges. And that's it. Your Canva design is now print ready with proper bleed, giving it a polished, professional look.